I cheated on my husband when I was young and selfish. So to make a long story short, we went to a club, I met a guy and had sex with him in his car. I felt horrible, but it also gave me a rush. I did it multiple times. There were a few more guys from clubs and a waiter that I used to flirt with. And of course, my husband eventually caught me. He was crushed and I begged and cried and pleaded. He took a day to think it over. He told me he didn't want a divorce because of the kids. He said that when he chose to have kids, that he would always put their happiness over his own. I was a good mother, horrible wife, but a good mother.